Good morning all. My name is Chukuma. I know you guys already know me. Welcome back to NENYE'S Diary. If you have not subscribed, please do that. Please subscribe to this channel and empower my sister, help my sister. Today is my birthday. Yes, I'm not supposed to be making this video, but NENYE forced me to make this video, so I'm just doing this. So I don't know what else to say, but I'm going old now. I'm getting old. I'm getting old. Anyways, I wish myself long life and prosperity.
Amen.
That's what I wish for myself, and I wish you guys that are watching this long life and prosperity too. So you guys should wish me well. Thank you very much.
So guys, today is my brother's birthday, and yeah, oh my god, all I'm asking is for God to continue to bless him, to protect him, and also to grant all his secret prayers in Jesus' name. And I wish him long life and prosperity. And yeah, so today I'll be making our Nigerian party chili fried rice. Yeah, this chili fried rice is almost the same thing as our Nigerian party fried rice, but the only difference is that we use chili pepper in preparing this type of fried rice. So we use our green chili pepper, our long pepper, also ogbono or anything you call it. With this type of fried rice, curry or any coloring ingredients is not needed. It's just the chili pepper. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my chili fried rice. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my chili fried rice. And yeah, it doesn't take much of time. It's just the same way you prepare your fried rice. After I'm done removing the seeds from the chili pepper, next I'm going to blend it into a fine paste before frying it with some oil and seasoning cubes and salt. Please, you guys shouldn't mind the way my voice is. I lost my voice some weeks ago, so you guys please just pardon me for this. So I'm going to be washing the rice off cameras, and after pouring the meat stock into a bigger pot, next I added some water to it because my rice is still hard, so I'm added some water to the meat stock. Then added ginger, pepper, crayfish, seasoning cubes and salt, and also some other spices, which I'm going to leave what I used for this cooking in the description box. After which I'm going to allow it cook for a few minutes before adding my rice and my chili pepper. Good, perfect. So guys, this is the final stage of my cooking. Yeah, please, I know my voice is so bad. I have a frog voice right now, but I can't wait anymore to share this video. So yeah, my chili fried rice is ready. This is my chili fried rice and it's ready.
This is NENYE'S diary. Hi.
Hi guys! Him and his friends are really enjoying themselves. And yeah, you guys should stay tuned as we pile. Hi, Baba. So guys, meet my Ada Chuku, and I've been trying to make her look at the camera, like I've been trying to make her smile, look at the camera. But today is just not her day. She doesn't want to smile, she doesn't want to look at the camera, like all my efforts proves about it. So this is my Ada.
Pussy. Look, I need a hard head, I need a deep stroke.
So this is the end of the video. I had to invite very few of my friends. I didn't invite a lot of people, just very few people for my birthday, as you can see in the video. So thank you very much. I'll stay tuned. I'll keep on watching this video. Thank you very much.